What's up, guys? So a couple months ago I posted a video on how I stitched up my driver's seat in my Sequoia, and last week I noticed that one side of my repair had started to come unraveled. I can't tell if my knot came out or if the thread broke or what exactly caused it to start coming unraveled, but I'm going to fix it again today. I'm not going to show you that process because it's the same as what I did before, but just wanted to kind of do a follow-up video. So it's definitely not as bad as it was originally. You can see just this side over here towards the center console has started to come out. These look like the original stitching threads that start way over here. And there is still a knot in there where I tied the thread that comes out of this side with the thread that comes out of this side. So I'm guessing that I just stressed this new thread enough that it maybe broke, couldn't handle the tension or whatever. So I'm probably gonna, I see the thread, this new thread is kind of frayed a little bit, so I'll probably pull a couple stitches out and then start over and, you know, tie a knot, try to get a decent knot in there and stitch it all up and try to tighten it up, see how long it holds. Okay, there we go, all stitched up again. One thing that helped me this time that I didn't think about last time is I reclined the seat back, and that gave me just a little bit more arm room, made it a little easier to manipulate my pliers and my curved needle, made it a little easier to work with. The other thing that I did is when pulling the stitch tight, I got up in here and I put my knee on the floorboard here and put my foot back here this way, and so I was like basically kneeling facing that way and pushing on this with my thigh, and so I could kind of collapse this foam, relieve some tension, pull things tight, get my knots tight in there. And so this stitch is actually a little tighter than I had it the original time. So we'll see how long that holds up. I did see over here, I've got this stitch coming out, but I got 236,000 miles on this thing. It's gross and disgusting and needs to be cleaned very badly, but I don't drive it that often. It gets me around where I need to go. But hopefully this will hold up a little longer than 2 months. I'm kind of wondering if I didn't maybe just trim my ends, pass my knot a little too short, and they just pulled out. This time I tied a double knot, and then I got the tails about back through to here, and can't just, you know, fed my needle back through, and then clipped them way back here. Same way on this one, I left probably an inch and a half long tail, so hopefully that won't pull out. And I don't think I stretched the thread as much this time, so hopefully this will last a little longer. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll link the original video up in the top corner, whichever corner it's in. And until next time, we'll see you later.